She drives a Silverado.
She drives a truck. My kind of girl. That's what she drives.
Thank you, lady. Contestant number 1. Thank you so much.
Thank you guys for watching from Laconia.
Thank you. All right, let's bring out contestant number 2, Stephanie. Come on, guys. What do you think about her bikini?
Look, you know what you're riding. I like the fact that you can kind of go through the turns without shifting.
Thank you. Book a flight. 5 o'clock somewhere. I like that attitude, Stephanie.
I'm glad I rode it. I mean, anybody can ride this bike without keeping on a lower mode. You won't kill yourself. But if you're one of them guys,
Yeah, it'll still.
I mean, I was like, I gotta try that sport. That sport just gets it. That was a good catch.
Are you gonna throw another rim on that thing or what?
Probably not anytime soon. Might be the end of the season. It might not be. We're not really sure. We'll see what the sponsorship says. Shout out to my sponsor, Rings Automotive down in Sanford, Maine, keeping this fucking beat machine running all the time. Yeah, we might throw a rim on it soon. We might not. Fuck it, it's just a material object.
Austin, tip this bitch over. So take a walk up there, grab yourself a cold one, or hang tight. We'll be back here in about 5 minutes.
Contestant number 2.
Dunder Mifflin parking permit. That's kind of cool. Moab, Utah, San Diego, Grand Teton National Park, Myrtle Beach, Daytona.
Come on, guys!
All right, contestant number.
All right, guys, let's hear it for contestant number 3.
Tomato.
Like, you know, it gets you. Like, oh, that's too fast. That's too much. Awesome ride, man. Thank you.
Welcome. Thanks for coming by.
Appreciate it.
How much are these?
22,800.
And what's the range on it?
Up to 146 miles on a single charge. Just depends on your speed and riding.
So that's kind of equivalent to like a tank on a regular. Yeah.
As we will have a couple of more rounds as the field lined up there in the paddock. Doc Batchelor completing his run. Robert Fuller.
Good job. Good job.
He and I both have these really awesome YouTube channels.
And also, we're both known for getting the most beautiful women in the world in our videos. Perfect.
Alright, here we go. The final contestant.
Girls out there today.
Oh, the king! Yes, sir!
How many miles are on that bike? Yeah.
232.
232?
So,
Dang. Still going strong.
first 232.
Oh, you're from Hungary? Oh. What part of Hungary are you from? What part of Hungary are you from? That's cool. I've never met a girl from Hungary before. Alright, so on this we went from Brandon, or we went from Tampa all the way over here to Missouri. Then we went over here to Niagara Falls.
You'll be coming up a little bit.
A big shout out to our judges too. Who've been sitting out there on that boat for multiple hours.
Third place, $500 from our friends at Manchester Harley Davidson. We have Stephanie K from the Naswa.
How do you charge it at those charging stations, like at gas stations and stuff?
Yeah, so we use a Universal J1772 port. So it can plug in, it comes with a charging cable, you can plug it into just your wall in your garage, or at certain charging stations they have what's called DC fast charge, and you can plug it in there and it'll charge 0 to 100% in 60 minutes at most.
Second place for $1,000 from the Naswa is number 2, Stephanie Rose.
Where's your next rally at?
We have a little bit of time off. What we do, we're going to be going to Deadwood a couple weeks before Sturgis, and then Sturgis.
Nice.
There used to be a Polish joke about that. Wait, I've got a joke for you. The Polish bank robber. Hang on, got a joke for you. A blind Marine stumbles into a lesbian bar.
Hold on, technical difficulty. I know you girls are chomping a bit. Who do you guys think won? Oh, you guys all say number 3? 3? You got a lot of fans out here.
So anyway, blind Marine stumbles into a bar to get a drink, and it turns out to be a lesbian black Marine. He doesn't know this, so he said a black Marine. A blind Marine. A blind Marine. Would you like to borrow one of my hearing aids? No, I got 2.
I'm going to give away an oil change to the next comment, the first comment that subscribes to both of our channels. How about that? Yeah, we talked about this. We were gonna do we're gonna pick from the comments, but I'm gonna take the first comment because nobody commented. Okay. And what he's gonna get he's got to subscribe to Amsoil Adam and Prime Cut Pro. Subscribe to us too.
Yep.
And we will just pick you, and then you come to Sturgis and you get your free oil change.
Yeah. And if for some reason you can't make it to Sturgis, I'll mail you all the product, and you can have it done at your local shop if you like.
Okay, let's do it. You need to comment on both videos and subscribe to both of us. That's all you have to do.
Sounds good, guys.
And you got a free oil change.
Oil change. I mean, you go to Harley, you're looking at $500 value.
And don't forget to subscribe to Amsoil Adam because his rally content is awesome.
Apparently
it's out of this world.
We have the third best rally content.
There you go.
Having some sound difficulties. And number one, the winner, $1,500 courtesy of our friends at Budweiser Mackenzie.
Number 8.
So you guys stay, we're going to go do a photo shoot with you down there, okay? Thanks to the crowd and all our girls and our sponsors today, Budweiser, the Naswa Resort, and Manchester Harley Davidson.
Wonderful. Judges, can you get a little closer, please?
Get in here, guys.
Well, not that close, sir. Thank you for your patience.
Yay! Great job, judges. Great job.
Thank you, guys.
Okay, first place in the middle, please. Second and third on either side, please. Okay, come forward 1 foot.
Any wall outlet you can plug into though?
Yeah, and that's going to be a 110, like a trickle charge. So you're overnight, like usually 8 to 12 hours, depending on charge. But
makes sense.
When you're out on the road, if you've got one of those DC fast charge stations nearby, 60 minutes, you're good to go. And that's only if you drain it completely.
Do you have other options too that are kind of more comfortable, or just?
So we have a second model called the Del Mar. They're getting charged right up right now, but it's good. It's our newest model that just came out about 6 weeks ago, and that's going to be a more upright sitting position, more of a flat track style, a little bit more aggressive tires, bigger tires, and it's about 130 pounds lighter.
Wow.
I was thinking it'd be cool to have one with exhaust, but still has electric. That way, you know, if you want to cruise into the neighborhood, you don't want to wake everyone up at night, turn it off, go to stealth mode.
These are the lethal assassin.
They're super quiet.
It does have a distinctive whine to it, and I rode internal combustion engines for 30 years before I started with LiveWire, and this still has a real big place in my heart because it's just a very different ride. It's pretty awesome.
Looking great, looking great. 1, 2, 3.
So you're the owner of this bike, huh?
I don't know. Some people say she owns me.
That's funny. So where's home? Rhode Island?
Laconia this week. I'm from Rhode Island, but I only spend about 3 weeks a year there.
So you live on your bike and stuff, or no?
Well, nowadays I live with my girlfriend in our toy hauler, but all I got is the bike. I ride everywhere.
Now, how fast will it go?
It's governed to 110.
110?
Governed.
Can you get over that?
Recommend it.
Okay. Of course not.
The gals at the end. Model pose, elbow out. The gals.
Thank you for watching the Bikini contest at the Naswa Resort.
Beautiful. Perfect. Thank you.
With the winner with your check. There you go.
So you're going to get about 400,000 miles on that thing, you think?
I don't see any reason why. I mean, short of the frame break you can have, what can't be fixed on it, you know? Just a million little pieces. They're all made to wear out and be replaced.
Looking good, looking good. Happy winner, happy winner. I see a very happy winner there. I see a very happy winner there. Okay, good. All right. Everybody looking over here, please.
Miss Winner, do you have an Instagram?
I do.
What is your Instagram?
Mackenzie Hennessy. With 2 I's.
Okay. Everybody follow her and congratulate her.
Monique will take you back to the room, remember?
Good, looking over here. 1, 2, 3. Happy people. Want to see happy people. 1, 2, 3. Want to see happy people. 1, 2, 3. Happy people. Thank you.